Hello students, today's class I am going to discuss about comparing quantities. Suppose two numbers are in the ratio 3:5 if 9 is subtracted from each, then the ratio becomes 12:23. Then the ratio become 12:23. So find the smallest number. Numbers are in the ratio is 3:5. If 9 is subtracted from each, then the ratio become 12:3. Find the smallest number. So first of all, let the numbers be 3x and 5x. Both numbers are 3x and 5x. Let the numbers be 3x and 5x. Now question, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. 9 is subtracted from each. If 9 is subtracted from each, then numbers are 3x minus 9 and 5x minus 9. Number is 3x. When 9 is subtracted, then number may be 3x minus 9, and when 9 is subtracted from 5x, then number will be 5x minus 9. Then according to question, 3x minus 9 by 5x minus 9 equal to 12/23. Because 9 is subtracted from each, then the ratio become 12:3. When 9 is subtracted both the number, means 3x minus 9 and 5x minus 9, then ratio will be 12/23. Now cross multiply. 23 into 3x minus 9 equal to 12 into 5x minus 9. 23 into 3x means 69x minus 207 equal to 60x minus 108. Now arrange it. 69x minus 60x equal to minus 108 plus 207. So 69x minus 60x means 9x. 9x equal to 99. Therefore x equal to 99 by 9, 11. X equal to 11. If x equal to 11, then numbers are, first number is 3x and second number is 5x. So numbers are 3x means 3 into 11 equal to 33. And 5x means 5 into 11 equal to 55. Both numbers are 33 and 55. Now another math, question number 2. What percent of 1 liter is 50 centimeter cube? What percent of 1 liter is 50 centimeter cube? We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Then required percentage, what percentage? Required percentage equal to 50 by 1000 into 100. 50 by 1000 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 5%. Answer is 5%. Next, question number 3. 150% of a number 150% of a number is 900. What is the number? We have to find the number. What is the number? 150% of a number is 900. Then what is the number? So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now according to question 150% means 150 by 100 of a number means into x. 150% of a number means 150 by 100 into x equal to 900. Therefore x equal to 900 into 100 by 150. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Now 3 3 ja 9, 0 0. 300 into 2 means 600. 600, what is the number? Number is 600. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Which of the following is greater than? Which of the following is greater than 16.3%? Which of the following is greater than 16.3%? Option A, 163 out of 1000. Option B, 113 out of 250. Option C, 8 out of 50. And option D, 39 out of 750. What will we do? Which of the following is greater than 16.3%? Now first we take A option. Option A, 163 out of 1000. 163 out of 1000 means 163 by 1000 into 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 16.3%. If we take A option, what we will get? 16.3%. Now take B option. 113 out of 250. 113 out of 250 means 113 by 250 into 100. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 by 5 means 45.2%. Now we take C option. 8 out of 50 means 8 by 50 into 100. 50 to the 100 means 16%. And D option, 39 out of 750 means 39 by 750 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 2 ja 10, 5 15, 3 5 ja 15, 3 13, 26 by 5 means 5.2%. Now question is, which of the following is greater than 16.3%? And from option greater than 16.3%, from option B we have to get 45.2%. This is greater than 16.3%. From option A we get 16.3%. This is equal of 16.3%. Option B, 45.2% we get. 45.2% is greater than 16.3%. Option C we get 16%. 16% is less than 16.3%. And option D, from option D we get 5.2%. 5.2 is also less than 16.3%. So 45.2% is greater than 45.2% is greater than 16.3%. Option B is the right answer. Now, question number 5. Now, question number 5. The length of longest rope is 84 centimeter. Then find the total length of 3 rows. 5. What percent of a day is 18 minutes? What percent of a day is 18 minutes? We know that one day equal to 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 day equal to 24 hour, in 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 day equal to how many minutes? 24 into 60 means 1440 minutes. So what percent of a day is 18 minutes? Then required percentage equal to 18 by 1440 into 100. 2 5s are 10, 2 72, 18 4s are 72, 5 by 4 means 1.2 by 25%. 1.25% is the required answer. 5 number. Now question number 6. "11 oranges are bought for rupees 10. 11 oranges are bought for rupees 10 and 10 oranges are sold for rupees 11. What is the gain or loss percent? What is the gain or loss percent? 4 options are there. Option A 21% loss. Option B 11% gain. Option C 21% gain. And option D 11% loss. 11 oranges are bought for rupees 10 and 10 oranges are sold for rupees 11. What is the gain or loss portion? Now, CP of 11 orange. Cost price. CP of 11 oranges. CP of 11 oranges is rupees 11. Therefore, CP of 1 orange, if CP of 11 orange, cost price of 11 orange is 11 rupees, then cost price of 1 orange is sorry, CP of 11 orange is 10 rupees, then CP of 1 orange is 10 by 11 rupees. And SP of 10 orange, SP of 10 orange equal to rupees 11. Then SP of, therefore SP of 1 orange equal to 11 by 10. CP of 1 orange equal to 10 by 11 and SP of 1 orange equal to 11 by 10. Therefore profit, we know that profit equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Here SP is 11 by 10 and CP is 10 by 11. LCM of 10 and 11 is 110. Then 11 into 11, 121 into 10 into 10 means 100. So 21 by 110. Now profit percent. Profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit equal to 21 by 110. CP equal to 10 by 11 into 100. So 21 by 110 into 11 by 10 into 100. 11, 10, 10, 10 ja 100, 10, 10 cancel, 21%. 21% gain, profit percent equal to 21%. So option C, 21% gain is the answer. See, CP of 11 orange 10 rupees, CP of 1 orange 10 by 11. Then SP of 10 orange 11 rupees, SP of 1 orange is 11 by 10. And we know that profit equal to SP minus CP. So SP equal to 11 by 10, CP equal to 10 by 11. Now LCM of 10 and 11, 110, 121 minus 100, 21 by 100. Now we have to find the profit percent. Profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP 21 by 110 by CP equal to 10 by 11 equal to into 100. 21 by 110 into 11 by 10 into 100. 10 10 cancel, 11 10 ja 110, then we get 21%. Now next question number 7. Express 54 meter express 54 meter as a percentage of 1 kilometer 80 meter. Express 54 meter as a percentage of 1 kilometer 80 meter. First we have to do 1 kilometer 80 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter plus 80 meter equal to 1080 meter. Now required percentage. Required percentage equal to 54 by 1080 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. Now 54 54 equal to 5%. Required percentage equal to 5%. Now question number 8. 25% of 50% of 100% by 25 of 100 into 50% of 100. Now 25% of 50%. 25% means 25 by 100 into 50 by 100 into 100 by 100 by 25 into 100 into 50 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel. So 25 into 50 by 100 into 100 into 1 by 25 into 100 into 50. Now 25 cancel, 50 cancel, 1 by 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 0.0001%. This is the answer. This is evaluate. Find the value 25% of 50% of 100% by 25 of 100 into 50% of 100. Thank you, students.